Good day, my YouTube family. You are welcome back to Convisi Farms, your organic farming channel. New subscribers, you are welcome. This is our commercial yam sack farming, and this is done organically. Just look at how the leaves are lush green and beautiful. It is a sign that the yams are really doing great. So this is the growth stage of our commercial yam sack farming. Just stay tuned to our channel as I will be teaching you on how to start your own commercial yam sack farming from the planting stage to the harvesting stage from my own experience. I will be talking about the pros and the cons of commercial yam sack farming. Trust me, you will enjoy the teachings and you will learn a lot, and you'll be able to start your own commercial yam sack farming, or even if you want to do it subsistence. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Bye bye and take charge.